delicious leftover. We had the chicken the other day, and the barbecue chicken, this is left over. So I took it and cut it up, the barbecue pieces of chicken, cut 2 or 3 of them up and put it in these containers right now. We also have leftover peas. Leftover peas from the garden. So these are going to go on top of the chicken, right there. And these go on top of the chicken. Divide them up equally, because these will go in the freezer. They have nice garlic butter in them. There we go. And leftover, we had leftover yellow and green squash with garlic butter. So I'm going to divide these fresh from the garden. And so they're going to go in here on top of there. Nice. Nice on top of there. And two delicious meals. Here's the chicken, peas, leftover squash on top. Now, to make them really unique. On top of this, I'm going to add roasted garlic salsa. I had this the other night myself for leftovers. Absolutely delicious. So on top of this, I'm going to put salsa. You think? So this is this is salsa. Beautiful. Roasted garlic salsa. Put some of that right on top of that. You're thinking, I don't want to eat leftovers. It doesn't taste like leftovers. Put this one on top of here. Oh, I ate it the other night. I thought, oh my gosh, that's delicious. It tastes like a brand new dinner. Okay. So there's those two. And then on the top, cheddar cheese. Seriously sharp Cabot cheddar cheese. Oops. 2 delicious leftover meals. Complete meals. Perfect. Put a top on them. Stick them in the freezer. Complete meals. Healthy, not wasting.